Why does a tiny pinch of salt makes the brownie taste sweeter or a bitter coffee taste smooth? It's not magic, it's a biological chemistry. Today we are looking at why the salt makes the food better, which food you should never taste, or which food the iron should not be mixed with. Salt is a bitterness blocker. It basically stops your tongue from sending bitter signal to your brain, which unlocks the sweetness and the umami which is already in your food. It also makes the aromatic components evaporate faster, so you actually smell your food more intensely while you eat. But can you put salt on everything? Not exactly. Add salt to all savory dishes, but also some sweet baked goods and fresh fruits like watermelon or pineapple. It balances the acid and pulls out the natural sugars. And do not add sugars to high processed foods or milk based drinks, as it can ruin the delicate balance of fats and sugars. So, how much? The WHO recommends 5 grams of salt per day to an adult to maintain a healthy heart. Always season in small layer rather than all at once. Is iodine necessary for everyone? Yes, absolutely. Every human needs iron for their thyroid function and their brain development. However, people with certain thyroid conditions like hypothyroidism may need to limit their intake. So, always check your doctor if you have any medical history. For the general population, iodized salt is the easiest way to prevent deficiency. At ASF Salt Traders, we have spent 20 years in Tuticorin ensuring that each and every bag of our salt, whether it is a crystal or a powdered salt, meets the highest purity and iodization standards. We ship nationwide because every kitchen in India deserves the best foundation for their flavor. I have said a lot today, but I want to know your thoughts. What are the doubts you have about salt? Are you confused about different types? Or how to use it in your business? Share your questions in the comments and I will answer them in your next video. So, for now, it's time. So, TSK signing out.